Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of TikTok and you will click. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.